Welcome back. This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've been looking on Amazon for radios, shortwave radios in particular, or emergency radios that I could purchase to do a review. And because right now, actually, it's starting next week, they're going to have their sale of the year. And so they're right now they have a lot of things on sale. I mean, big discounts. And so I did was doing some searching for shortwave radios, portable shortwave radios particularly. And I remembered I ran across this one that I bought a couple of weeks ago and did a couple of shows. And I really like the radio, except it does have one major flaw, and that is on the medium wave band, it won't switch from 9 kilohertz steps to 10 kilohertz steps. So it doesn't work properly in the United States. I got it when it was on sale for less than $10. That was still a good buy. Now it's up to $18. I'm thinking, hey, I bought radios for about $20 that were considerably better. And so I looked and I found this one that I didn't buy this one. I bought the previous brand, which was TVDO. There it is right there. I did a search on it, but it doesn't exist anymore. This has replaced it. And this is the Redicus V115. So I believe I bought the TVDO, and Redicus later sent me their version to review. They sent it to me. The TVDO version, I actually got a write-up on SWLING website for my review. There's the TVDO. And there's my video, which was show number 1207, so that was a long time ago. And I really liked both radios. They're identical. And I just tested this radio against the other radio that I just purchased. And as far as shortwave, this one, the Redicus, did better than this one here. And of course this one has that bug. So I'm looking at the sale they're having right now. So they got it 20% off for just over $20. Plus you can apply a 5% coupon, making it less than $20, which right now is basically the same price as this one. And this one has more features. It's AM, FM, shortwave, plus it has an MP3 player and recorder. And it has a numeric keypad so you can direct tune the stations. Pretty cool. This is a bargain. You should get you one. If you're looking for this type of radio, you should get you one. I heavily recommend it for this type of radio. Now, it's not going to be a fantastic shortwave radio compared to a $300 table model, but it's going to do okay. But you're going to have to add a wire antenna to this telescopic antenna. This is way too short. All these small radios, the telescopic antenna is way too short for shortwave. It's okay for FM, but not shortwave. You're not going to get much on shortwave just using this. I did get 6 stations to scan I did the other day, but they were within 800 miles of me. They're pretty local. So I think you should jump on there. I've got this in my Amazon store, which the link to my Amazon store is below each of my video descriptions. You click on that link, it takes you to my Amazon store, which is just a page on Amazon. It's Amazon. I don't have any inventory or anything. It's just Amazon. It just shows you the things that I recommend. Plus, if you use that link, you can, while you're there, you can go buy something like birdseed, and I get a small commission. Then I use that commissions, the total commissions from that, for buying more things to review on my show. And lately, my commissions have been pretty much in the toilet, but I guess it's because of the time of the year or something. Anyway, I highly recommend this radio for this type of radio. Small, portable, AM, FM, shortwave. The only thing this does not have, which I wish it did have, is it doesn't have the NOAA band, NOAA weather. Wish it had that, but it doesn't. So I'm going to continue this search on Amazon for radio bargains right now because of this special sale they're going to have. Like I say, they've already kind of started it, but it goes into full effect, I think, next week. And you should check it out. Check out my Amazon store. Like I hear, I don't have this radio right here, I think, and it's 10% off. I'm going to click on this right now just for my own curiosity. Oh, wow. No, that's not it. That's not the one I'm looking for. I'm looking for something similar to this one, but a digital one. There's a digital one. There it is right there. And it's not on sale. It has a 12% coupon. So that would bring it down to about $45. I'm interested in this radio. I've been watching this one for a while. I like this big digital display. So this is the another Redicus TR629. It's been around for about maybe 6 months to a year. And maybe I'll put it on my watch list and maybe it'll go on sale next week. Anyway, I suggest you get not this one, but the one I was showing you a few seconds ago. And I'll go back to that page real quick. And there it is, the Redicus V115. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.